Hello everyone, and welcome to the Vlinkaz channel. If the sound is not working on your Windows 11 PC, no audio, no speaker sound, or your headphones aren't working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you real working solutions step by step. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to support us. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Check volume and output device. Most of the time, we forget to check the sound level. Click the sound icon and make sure the volume is not muted. Also, confirm that Windows hasn't switched the output device automatically. Step 2. Run the audio troubleshooter. Go to the Windows search bar and type Settings. Open the Settings app, select System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, and click Other Troubleshooters. Find the audio option and click Run. This will automatically detect and fix issues. Once done, close everything and restart your system. Step 3. Restart audio services. Go to the search bar, type Run, and open it. Type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, find Windows Audio. Right-click it and select Restart. Then find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and restart it as well. Once both services are restarted, close the window and check your audio. Step 4. Set speakers as default device. Right-click the start icon and open Settings. Go to System, Sound. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings under the Advanced section. In the Playback tab, right-click your speaker and set it as the default device. Then click OK and test the sound. Step 5. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Search for Device Manager and open it. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio driver and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers while connected to the internet. If updating doesn't work, right-click the driver again, select Uninstall Device, and restart your PC. The driver will reinstall automatically. Step 6. Check Windows Update issues. Search for Windows Update and open it. Install any pending updates. If the problem started after an update, use the Uninstall Updates option to roll back. And that's it. Also check your headphone jack, Bluetooth connections, and try another speaker or headset to rule out hardware issues. Play a YouTube video or system sound to confirm the fix. Your Windows 11 audio should now be working. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for real Windows fixes. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.